So you see how it's nighttime, and look, it's this event right here. It's this event right here. You wanna know how to get it? So all you gotta do is head down to the beach, down here, go all the way back here, and then stop once you're right here, and then you'll see this. And then you gotta go to this side and then press on it. And then, yeah, that's how you get it now. But there is another spot outside the map that I can show you guys right now. Okay, so come over here. And just spam your tornado. I'll keep on doing this until you get through. Trust me. I saw this on YouTube. This is the hard spot, so I recommend you go for the first one. Yeah, let's not try that way. Don't try that way if you're going for this one. Just go all the way back here. So here's your spot all the way back here. So right behind this thing, you're gonna want to jump up here, go through here, glitch through here, and then do this. Guys, head for this side of the map. Need Supersonic for this also. Okay, that's an area you can land on, but you need to go all the way back here to this island right here. There should be... I think they got rid of it. Yeah, they got rid of it. But there wasn't one area. I wonder if it's this island. Cause it's supposed to have the number forward. Yeah, gotta remove the other one. So, see ya.